The fact is, this is a worldwide problem.
And Trump declaring a nationwide public health emergency today in an attempt to combat the opioid crisis. Overdoses of the drug have claimed life after life in recent years, a public health emergency that the president says he hopes to end with a war on the drug.
Each of us has a responsibility to this effort. We have a total responsibility to ourselves, to our family, to our country, including those who are struggling with this addiction.
The order will direct federal agencies to give more grant money to fight the epidemic, but stop short of declaring a national emergency. Good evening. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Nadine Woodward. Officials now say the number of deaths related to opioid overdoses is 4 times what it was 18 years ago. Last year, 64,000 people died nationally from drugs. In Spokane County, 125 deaths last year cite drugs as being a primary or contributing cause. Nearly all were accidental. And though those numbers do reflect more than 50 types of illegal drugs, several kinds of opioids are among them. But opioid deaths are more than just statistics. They are our children, our parents, and our friends. Tonight, KXLY4's Caroline Rourke working for you with one father's story of grief and how he hopes to pursue change. Caroline?
Nadine, the opioid crisis is constantly a national headline. This is something that we read about, something we see, that we hear. But until we have an experience of the effects of addiction head on in our own lives, it can be hard to truly understand.
My son, Nathan, was an opioid addict, and he died just 12 days ago of an overdose.
Nathan Cottle's death at just 28 years old opened a gaping hole of grief and confusion, the kind every parent hopes they never have to feel.
Nathan was as kind as your child or any of your children. He's the same wonderful young person that you see every day, everywhere.
Keith Cottle and his family did everything they were supposed to help Nathan, but it didn't work.
I'm ashamed that I didn't ever think, how about just learning to live with addiction instead of trying to cure it?
As for solutions, Keith, like everyone, doesn't have a guaranteed answer, but he does have ideas.
I don't think we're going to prohibit or enforce our way out of this.
So as the government works to find new ways to combat this crisis, Keith will be working too.
I really intend for this to be something that I devote effort to on behalf of my son.
Because for him, this problem that can seem so distant in national headlines is tragically personal.
I discovered my son and did CPR on him. It was more awful than you could ever imagine. I can't even look at his pictures.
We want to thank Dr. Keith Cottle for sharing that story with us today. And for more information on the new changes meant to address this issue, and for more information about local resources that provide help for folks with addiction, we've got that on our website. Just search KXLY.com. In studio, Caroline Rourke, KXLY4 News.
All right, thank you, Caroline.